What is up, everyone, my beautiful people of the world? How are you guys doing? You guys doing great? You guys doing good? That's good, great, wonderful. Today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a 1 month review for this hair, which is the Peruvian natural wave from DSoar hair. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into the tea. There is no tea. Let's get into it. So let's bring all this hair to the front. So if you guys did not watch my unboxing review, this is DSoar's hair Peruvian natural wave in the inches. I don't remember. I think it's 224s to 22 and a 20-inch frontal. If that is incorrect, I will put the right lengths right here on the screen, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So that is what it is. I did cut the hair. I layered it. I don't know, every unit that I get now, I layer it because I really like the look of layers, and I'm really trying to, you know, perfect that aspect of my hair stuff. Does that make sense? Anyways, so yeah, I layered it. I think I kind of messed it up actually with the layering, because now, I don't know if you guys can see, but the ends, you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see, but the ends just look really thin now, which is not their fault. That's a me problem, because we don't need to talk about it. Anyways, let's get into the hair. All right, so I've had this hair in for a month. I've been wearing it since I got it for a month. I wear it almost every day because I wear it to work. So I'm gonna give you guys a real review. All right, so for starters, I honestly don't even think I have anything bad to say about this hair. I really don't think I have anything bad to say about this hair. Honestly, the only con I believe that I really have with this hair is the fact that the frontal, it's always the frontals with me. I swear to you, it is always the frontals. Something always go wrong with the mother frontals, bruh. The frontal dries up a lot more loose than the bundles. Like a lot more loose than the bundles. Like as you guys can see, the wave pattern of the bundles, I don't even think No, it looks good today. So today's kind of a bad day to show you guys. It looks exceptionally well today, but usually the frontal will just have a looser and a slightly frizzier look to it than the bundles do, but that's not that serious just because it's a natural wave and the name is exactly what you get, a natural wave. It looks really natural, but I'm a perfectionist and I just like things to be in order at all times. So that's that with that. It's an easy fix. All you gotta do, put a little bit of product in it, scrunch it up like this, but ain't nobody got time to scrunch it. I don't have any, wow, ain't nobody got time to be scrunching it up all the time until it dries. I don't have time for that, and I don't have a diffuser. So sometimes I'll just do it like this, let it go, and then it will dry however it wants to dry, and then that's kind of the result that I get. I would show you guys it wet, but I prefer to show it to you guys dry just because you guys get the full look of how it looks dry. And I went out for about an hour or so, came back, so it's 100% dry. So you guys are getting sis in her natural state, which is great. So yes, I think that's the only con. Is that the only con? This hair really, it's doing pretty good, I must say. Honestly, I was honestly worried about, because of its length, like 24 inches, this is like the longest. No, it's not. I'm lying. I think I've gotten 24 inches before, but I think it was a different curl pattern. I don't know, but I was worried about the length and tangling back here, but honestly, I was extremely surprised at how minimal the tangling is at the nape area. Like legit, it is very minimal, and I'm very happy about that. Like, hold on, let me do it again. Oh, hold on, let me do that again. Hold on. All right, well, we're snagging, but we're not shedding as we're snagging, so that's good, right? Yep. So it does snag, but as I was saying, I could go through the back with little to no issues, and that is like, that is amazing. That is just great. That's wonderful. I love it, because even when I have straight hair, sometimes I can't do that at my nape area. The fact that I can run my fingers through my hair in the nape area is just, it's great. It's so little, but That's great, wonderful, magnificent. DSoar hair, you get a plus for that. Snags, I do get snags here and there, but they're not that serious at all, really. Like, there was one, but whatever. They're really not that serious. The snags aren't that serious. Shedding, the only time I really get shedding like that is when I'm washing it. Other than that, the shedding does not bother me at all. This hair is just great. This unit is just, it is, I was scared to try natural wave, but here I am. Natural wave might be the new thing. And honestly, for 3 bundles and a frontal, it is a lot of hair. It is absolutely a lot of hair. So you do get your money's worth, I guess, when it comes to, if you're looking at the density aspect of it, you do get your money's worth for the 4 bundles. Mind you, the ends are a little bit thin because I was layering it, and you know, it had a mind of its own, that's all. But other than that, great. The frontal, one thing with the frontal, it is a medium brown lace, which I wasn't too thrilled about, but it is what it is. It's a medium brown lace. They do not have transparent lace frontals for this hair, for this unit, for this wig, for this texture on DSoar. Not that I saw at the time, at least, but this is how the frontal looks. As you guys can see, I absolutely hate that line of demarcation. It looks a lot worse on camera than it does in person. I promise you, it doesn't look this bad, but hate the line of demarcation. I wish it was a transparent lace wig, but I mean a transparent lace frontal, but the medium brown is fine, I guess. But realistically, I think that's it. I really think that's it. I really do think that's it. This hair is not bad at all. I would recommend it, and for me to be wearing it for a month straight and not switching, well, I do switch in between wigs periodically, but to be going outside and going to work, this is my main wig. I do not wear any other wig to go to work at the moment. It's literally just this one. So I really love the fact that I'm able to give you guys like a real review. A real review, you feel me? I think that's it. Is that it? This hair is very easy to detangle. Very easy to detangle. I do not have any serious problems when it comes to detangling it. Just a couple snags here and there, but you know, you gotta take your time, be gentle, obviously, or else you're gonna end up bald. Because it's usually the frontal that shits a whole lot. You gotta be worried about the hair coming out of the frontal, because once the hair starts coming out of the frontal, it's not like it's gonna grow back. So, you know? But so far, so good with this hair. I don't know if I'll be coming back to you guys with another update. I don't know if you guys would want a 3-month, 4-month, 5-month update. You guys let me know if you guys want me to bring it that far, but this is a month and it's doing very good. Very happy with this wig that I made, okay? But yes, that is gonna be it for today. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you liked it. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. I said like, comment, and subscribe already, but I'm gonna just emphasize the thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, all right? You feel me? We on the same page? Cool. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. All right, have yourselves a beautiful day, beautiful night, a beautiful evening, wherever you are in the world. Have a good one. Stay safe, wear your mask, wear your gloves, sanitize if you are protesting. Protest safely, okay? Cool. Black Lives Matter, by the way. See you guys in the next video.